What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because we're on the road to 900 subscribers. So, man, I haven't been to a show. Man, I probably ain't been to a show in coming up almost a year, just because of work, new baby, and a whole bunch of personal stuff. I mean, I still been working on the truck, as you can see. I just haven't been able to go to a show. Either I'm DJing or, you know, I gotta work. So I took off and we're headed to Kingsland, Georgia. Everybody on IG and Snapchat is talking about this show. It's the Big L show. So we're gonna go. We gassing baby up now. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Join the family. And yeah, hopefully I can collab with a bunch of people. Give you guys some good B-roll. And yeah, join the family, man. Gang, gang.
Shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, that I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot. Girl, you too bad for me not to press you, yeah. Young fly nigga, I don't fuck.
Alright guys, so I had to pull over for a little bit because it's a lot of badass trucks over here. So I figured I'd get you guys some quick little B-roll of all these nice trucks out here, man. Look at this.
Welcome to the Hall of Fame, ladies and gentlemen.
You know, when you watch these guys on YouTube, sometimes you gotta check these guys out on TV to see them on TV. Webbo, you live on TV? I see you, Webbo.
Bro, is that me, right?
That's you, bro. Migo, that's you on TV. Bro, I finally linked up with the Los Chicos here, and these boys are on TV, and I done see these boys live on camera. These boys here, bad, bro. Bro, we got these boys here, and we got them on fucking TV with these boys, yo, bro. Big supporters.
I know you fucking lying. There you go. We on TV, baby. We gonna have enough on you. I know.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, whoa, I be so exhausted, whoa, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this weed and got me lifted, pour four, and then I finish tonight.
Alright guys, we just got in Kingsland, Georgia. I doubt I can do a lot of talking, man. It's a lot of music out here. So, a lot of copyright. So, yeah, we'll do a lot of B-roll for you.
Since I took out your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA on wasted. Lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. Whoa, I be so exhausted. Whoa,
I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touched down in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted. You don't hold me down for the last time, baby,
I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I just keep going, no, I've been so broken. These niggas done changed, yet they knocking my flows in. All smiles, can't tell that my heart just been frozen. Stay low, low, low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion, raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fire, that's cause I'm chosen. And I don't do the boasting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like Tai Chi, keep a check like Nike. Can't find a nigga that's like me, but I see fuck niggas that's high key. Flying on me most likely, can't fuck with me cause I'm icy. I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I'm leaning on the fixture, and I've been off the liquor. Sipping on that Remy with the Henny with a mixture. They follow me like scripture, and I've been getting quicker. Been had the upper hand, I hand-to-hand it like we never gon' fall. All my brothers on call, we forever gon' ball. No, it's nothing at all. I've just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. Niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change.
I got so much drinking me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. I'm tired of this shit, yeah, finna flood my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I'm missing. I can never call you my little baby, no.
Yeah, I've been thinking about the pain and I can't go back. We ain't ever been the same since we left off last. You were running through my veins, had a heart attack. Trying to keep me in your range, wait, fall back, cause I'm sick of it. Devil and the demon on your shoulder when you listening. Wishing I was special, but you never treat me different. Talking about a future, but I wonder what you picturing. All you do is run me in a circle, ain't forgiving it. I lost my time, then I lost my mind. You're the reason why I toss around in bed all night. Overwhelmed and suffocated all along those lines. Broken hearted every time you tell a lie. Mayday, I'm here, you got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound. You choose all your efforts, you're up then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now.
Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, hopping now on. First you told me that you finished, then you said you wanted more.
something different with you. Tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways.
Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane.
Yeah.
What's up? Yeah, we do it all day, dog. I bite and you play, dog. I don't like the way that you play, dog. Every night that we packing them in, third of my shoes, tracking them in. On stage remove, so we laughing again. Go to work all day with the pad and the pen. Look up in the sky, see a plane, see a bird. OCD, we go to work. OCD, we go berserk. Got me and the team is super genius. Now we off in outer space. Push them off and out the way. Get that carpet out my face. I said, do that to the break of dawn. Right now we gotta break them in. Right now we gotta break them off. Right now we gotta break them in. Every night that we leave you, don't get mad, don't get that. You text me and I text back. I'm in first place and you dead last. So look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane.
Every time that we come,
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
life is all that we know. Every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said every time that we go up, every time that we go, every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said this life is all that we know. Life is all that we know. Every time we look down, this life is all that we know. What you know about a speakeasy? What you know about them alcoholics? What you know about a two-time offender killer who extra cautious? Tell me something about a real club kid, better known as a Pennsylvania junkie. Them cats, they don't be scared. Mess around and take your money. Now look, if you pay what you make, let a crew say what you say. Eat Fridays on Tuesdays, make champagne from Kool-Aid. No play stuff, we bluff for real. Ride it down.
We got that boy Mr. Slides in the building, boy. My boy Sim Mike down the tie. You see what I'm saying? I told you, boy.
You're right. I know they gonna turn up.
Yeah.
I'll wait on. I know they gonna turn up.
Yeah. This is behind the scenes, what you don't see right here. Once we chop it up.
Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane.
Every day niggas cross their partners out for bitch. Side bitch, the question you know you see that set you up.
Think I seen a plane.
Every time that we pull up, every time that we go, every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said this life is all that we know. Life is all that we know. Every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said every time that we pull up, every time that we go, every time we look down, this life is all that we know. I said this life is all that we know. Life is all that we know. Every time we look down, this life is all that we know.
Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Look up in the sky, think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane. Think I seen a plane.
Let me infiltrate the beat, concentrate the heat. If you ain't on my level, fuck it, let me be. I'll be going till it's all in motion, talking killing rappers, then I hit my quota. And my train of thought is more a locomotive, talking reason for it, I got locomotive. Used to be on a revenge tip, on a stun on my ex and a friend's tip. I was Spider-Man whipping the black suit, I was powerful but almost lost Luke. Blurring the line between human and artist, try not to change but I swear.
Yeah. Already